Well, this is the storm, guys. All right. So I did promise I would do this, but here I am. It's right now raining. My phone's gonna get wet after this. But yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of rain happening right now. The storm is finally hitting me. It's the middle of the street here. Hoo-wee. It's rain. I mean, there's no lightning. I mean, I saw lightning a bit ago, but all right. I don't know if it's gonna get too crazy, but right now I'm waiting for it to get a little crazy. I'd say yeah. A little bit of rain over here. Yeah, a little puddle. The light keeps doing that for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, it's raining. Excuse me. Oh my. Yeah, that's lovely. My phone's getting all wet. Oh no. So nothing too crazy happened in my area, but I did see lightning, but it's not too crazy. I mean, we all like rain. I don't know why that's bright, but it's a little brighter on my phone, which is weird. Usually I get like... Someone coming? No. Alright, we're gonna go back to the garage. So right now me and Kaden tracked this weather event, and right now we just saw a bit of rotating storm. Some rotations happening in Oklahoma, Texas. There's even like a bow echo storm in Missouri. It's in the south, but right now it wasn't that bad. Whoa, I saw that. Oh boy. Ow, my eye, ow. I saw that, all right. Oh, wow. I'm gonna go back inside and then we're gonna go back out. Okay. It's getting a little bit more hectic out here. Oh boy. All right. I'm gonna clean my phone real quick. So yeah, that's my garage, and my mom isn't home, but if there's hail, I'll be posting another video. Hopefully, this is probably gonna be like a short video of this storm right now. There's a church bell. Yeah, we live near church for some reason. Oh, jeez. Yeah, allergy season. I'm about to sneeze. Allergy season sucks. Be hectic. See? Can't tell if it's getting more crazy or not, but so yeah, tomorrow I'm going to be posting another video, hopefully. Actually, this video is probably going to get posted tomorrow as well. I don't know. Yeah. Hold on. Let's get my scooter. I know I won't drop my phone, but actually, do I want to get my electric bike? Right, let's move this out of the way, and then we're gonna ride this thing. Dang, the seat's like a little off, but that's okay. I don't know if this is illegal, or I don't know if this is safe. But yeah. Crazy how, oh, there's a light here. There's a light here. That's cool. It's like shining that tree. It's like shining. Ooh, there's another lightning bolt that I just heard. Anyways. Just riding the scooter here. Promise me, guys, don't ever do this. I mean, yeah, it's fun. Like, it's like a mini storm, but when this is like a real event, like when it's strong winds and you're not a professional, please don't ever do it. Like, it's a little too chaotic. Like, right now, I am a little bit of a professional myself, and you should never ever do this. We'll keep this video 10 minutes long. See if we can catch another lightning bolt. Don't know if it's getting a little hectic, but okay. The storm isn't really that interesting though. But if I do capture hail, I will record a video about it. Hopefully, if it hits my area. The rain's calming down a little bit. Ooh. Yeah, we're gonna take a little walk. Just a small walk, guys. Yeah, here it's really chilly out. I mean, it's like 50 degrees. It used to be like 70 today, but it was like 50 degrees. But yeah. All right. Let's go turn back around. That was a short one. I did not turn off that bike over there, but it's okay. Let's go back down here. Whoa! Did anyone just see that? I missed that. Did I miss it or did I get it? I don't know. You probably guys heard. You probably just saw like. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, this storm is really mad. All right, that's it for the video. So yeah, if you want more videos like this, just leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you want to. Yeah. So far, can I turn this off? Yeah, it's off. All right. We might, so this is just the beginning of this tornado season. Well, this is real, there's no tornadoes happening right now, but tomorrow's supposed to be pretty bad, so I won't, well, yeah, like I said yesterday, I won't be tracking, but, or Wednesday, what am I saying? But anyways, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.